Welcome to another HeDgEhOgCoLa special with me, HeDgEhOgCoLa, and, well, he's still my enemy, but yeah. MogyMouse gives a wave. This will be a tornado battle between Tornado El Drago, who beat El Drago in the last one, because he's amazing, versus Tornado Eagle.
It's better.
They're both basically tornado battlers, but I like mine better. It wins most of the time. Okay. Round 1. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Oh, it looks a bit equal, to be honest. Yeah, I'll stop talking. Yeah. It looks like Tornado El Drago is the winner. That's not surprising. So yes, Tornado El Drago. If you've already watched the last video, you already know how cool he looks. But yeah, he is amazing.
There you go.
Can't even see yours.
I want to see mine.
Yep. That's shiny. Nothing's shiny.
Eagle better. Yeah.
Okay.
Eagle.
Round 2. Yeah, Eagle does look a bit better. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Let it. Right. Round 2. If you lose this battle, then there's no way of you winning.
I don't know.
MogyMouse.
Grrr. Hedgehog.
I'll kill you. Da, da, da. Right, I'll point towards which one's mine. Oh, mine's taking damage. Oh no, they're both in psycho mode, which I was on about. Oh, MogyMouse is the winner. If you'd like to show them your Beyblade, MogyMouse.
Woo! Mine's epic.
That means
mine's epic.
it's all to play for, as it's 1-1. Get ready for the next fight. This will determine the winner.
I mean, last fight.
Yeah, whatever, shut up. 3, 2, 1, let it. Whatever, I'll do my finger again.
Follow the finger,
Right.
follow.
I'll stop talking again, because I bet this is very annoying.
Yeah. Follow the finger, follow the finger.
Oh, I'm in rage mode and he's still going full speed. No! This is my special! I cannot lose. Right.
Woohoo!
Anyway, yes. So, both that here, MogyMouse. So, even though it isn't the best, Eagle won, unfortunately.
Because it is the best. Oh yeah.
So, there you go. Good luck with Eagle. Very nice Beyblade.
It's red and blue.
Not as good as El Drago, but
El Drago.
it somehow won, which is annoying. So anyway, yeah. Stay tuned, and
My Beyblade.
we will post more stuff in the future. Go away. Go away.